So one of the questions people ask is, hey, I'm thinking about Hardie or vinyl or wood. And I don't like the wood because insects and woodpeckers and fire. I like the idea of Hardie, but man, I never want to paint again. And so the reality is when you put vinyl up, it's going to fade and look pretty terrible in 15 years. So now you're thinking about, do I replace all my siding again, or do I just keep it and hate the way it looks? So when it comes to Hardie, a lot of times people ask, well, what do I got to do to extend the life cycle of Hardie? And the reality is, like, Hardie's going to get close to lasting you 20 years before you have to repaint it. It's going to last at least, it's going to last you more than 30 years overall, but you're probably going to think about painting 18, 20 years from now. Two things you could do is, one, you could power wash it. Okay, I'm talking maybe every other year, a very light nozzle. You don't want to spray it very hard. You could do that, and that will help extend the life cycle. I don't personally do that. What I do is I basically take a hose and then Blue Dawn and a wet rag, and I wipe down the first 10 feet of my house all the way around, normally once a summer, kind of at the end of the grill season. And I mean, I'm on almost 10 years, and well, I haven't repainted once, and it looks fantastic. But those are two really easy things you can do to kind of help expand the life cycle. The biggest thing is like getting rid of dirt and grime on the product. So whether you use a hose, whether you use Blue Dawn, whether you use a power washer, you don't have to do anything with Hardie, but if you want to really last 20 years, it's in your best interest either every other year or once a year, just try to get rid of some of that dirt and grime off the siding.